Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for apple muffins. These are a bit on the healthy side, and that way it's a really great fall recipe because that's apple season. So let's get started.
First of all, our ingredients. We need 2 cups or 250 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 2 teaspoons cinnamon, half a teaspoon cloves, half a teaspoon salt, 2 eggs, 3/4 cup or 180 grams of applesauce, 2/3 cup or 160 milliliters of maple syrup, 1/3 cup or 70 milliliters of oil, 1½ teaspoons vanilla extract or 1½ tablespoons vanilla sugar, 2 cups or 210 grams of shredded apples, 3/4 cup or 90 grams of chopped pecans or walnuts, which are optional, 1 tablespoon coarse sugar to sprinkle over the top. In a small bowl, combine maple syrup, oil, and applesauce. In a large mixing bowl, combine flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, cloves, salt, and vanilla sugar if using that. Stir in syrup mixture, vanilla extract if using, and eggs. Fold in apples and nuts. Pour batter into lined cupcake form. I like to use a 1/3 measuring cup for muffins or cupcakes, so that's my tip of the day. Sprinkle them with coarse sugar. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. These apple muffins are full of spices and are soft and moist. I love these and they are great to share. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.